magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chino Rodriguez from Messenger Channel. A fatal or also matarder. Sa ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin ang sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a random gabay for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading na mga hindi at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Update ko sa maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, so ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na umapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, now what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information paano kayo sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha. Angel spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, let's see. There's a Two of Cups. Now, there's something, a partnership. No? May partnership dito about sa love life. No? Ang pinaka eksena dito ay tungkol sa relasyon. Now, there's a lovers. Tungkol sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-coordinate, kumbaga, there's an unconditional love talaga na may pagmamahal dito or natatanging pagmamahal. Now, there's an Ace of Pentacles na may kaugnayan about sa pera. Now, there's something, a big shot and big money coming in for you. No? At the same time, there's something, Three of Swords. There's something heartbroken. Na maaaring nasasaktan ka, nahihirapan ka. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon ay punong-puno ng hinanakit. Now, there's Seven of Wands. Now, there's something protection. Protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo. No? Kailangan pangalagaan mo at protectionan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon. And this is something, the Four of Wands. Some of you know, there's something homecoming, family gathering, na maaaring magdala sa ito na selebrasyon. What is the Two of Cups? Represent with a magician. So, see? Meron ditong, kumbaga, may ginawa. No? There's something gayuma with your person. No, maaaring kaya nagbago to person mo, maaaring ginayuma, no? And because this is something guys with a Five of Cups, na ngayon nagsisisi nang hihinayang ka, yung inyong pinagsamahan at ang inyong kumbaga pinagplanuhan, maaaring unti-unting gumuguho. And there's the Moon. Now there's something, the Moon card, something truth reveal. No, ilalantad lalaga lahat ng katotohanan dito. Unti-unti mo nang malalaman lahat ng eksena, no? Lalo-lalo na usapin sa pera. Saan napunta yung binigay mo? Saan napunta yung, kumbaga, in-invest mo? And there is an Emperor just being mature enough and being grounded. Now, maging mature ka sa mga desisyon mo. No, this is something respect. There because may third wheel, third party talaga dito. No, nasaktan ka dito or maring nahirapan ka. Dahil, kumbaga, yung akala mo, yung taong makakasama mo for good ay maaaring unti-unti nagdala ako. There's a wheel of fortune with a good luck. Don't you worry, protection mo at pangalagaan mo naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. Iikot ang kapalaran, papabor pa rin sa yung sitwasyon. Now, there's something good luck and there's a destiny is yours. Now, there's a Six of Pentacles, magiging balance at magtutuloy-tuloy na raw ang magandang eksena pagdating sa pera sa'yo. What is the Two of Cups? Because the Magician. There's a Devil card. Meron talagang gawa ng gayuma and black magic. My goodness. There's a Two of Cups, the Magician and the Devil. No, may ginawa talaga ng black magic sa'yo. Kulam. No, there's the Kingman. No, ginayuma talaga yung person mo with the Kingman. No? Ginayuma to. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Because the Moon card. Represent with the Ten of Wands. No? Some of you guys, meron ditong, kumbaga, bigat talaga ng pinapasan. No? May mga bagay na unti-unti mo matutuklasan. Some of you, kailangan mong lumalis, no? Umuwi, lumipat, ganon. What is the Three of Swords? The Emperor. There's a page of surveying curiosity. Kailangan alamin mo lahat. No, tuklasin mo lahat. Maging mature ka how to handle your situation. No? No, there's something to judgment for a week of pinapaalalahanan kayo dito, pay attention. Kailangan mo ng kumilos, kailangan mo na magdesisyon. No, tapusin mo na tong eksena na to, protectionan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka. Ilaban mo hanggat may isasalba ka pa. No? And there's something that carry ka with an action movement. So, kailangan mo na talagang umuwi as soon as possible. No, kailangan mo nang puntahan, lapitan. There's a two joining forces, maaaring umuwi to. No? What is additional messages for the outcome? So, there's a 6 of Swords. See, there's a transition. Unti-unti ka rin dyan makakalis sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. And there's a 5 of Pentacles. Some of you, no? Kumbaga, naubos talaga, pati yung naipon nyo. No? Walang natira sa walang natira. No? Nasayang lahat. Additional messages. And represent with the Ease of Wands. So, dito papasok ang mga bagong idea, information. No, ngayon mag-iisip ka na. No, there's an Empress card, no, for revert. No, kumbaga, there's something in self-love, self-care. Kailangan mo mahalin at alagaan yung sarili mo. And this is something that's temperance with a perfect timing. So, this is the moment, no? Para humilom na. No, para maging maayos lang yung sitwasyon at kalagayan. No, may healing and of course, there's something recovery. And there's an Ace of Cups. No, there's something love. Mamumutangay pa rin na pagmamahal. Ibig sabihin nito, ipipiliin ka pa rin hanggang sa huli. No, nasa'yo pa rin ang huling halakhak. So, there's a 6 of Cups, no? Meron talagang maaring related with family, no? Or either a friend of yours. Or there's something next, no? So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Winning just pair pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Alamin na natin, guys. Let's watch this. Let's see. Pagdating sa finances and career, anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay? Okay, finances and career represent what? So, represent with the Knight of Swords. Now, there's a success driven. Na unti-unti ka na rin makakalis dyan sa situation. Na unti-unti ka na rin makakabangon yan. There's a need of something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na rin. No, unti-unti ka na rin dyan makakaalis. No, and this is something the Justice card. Makukuha mo pa rin ng hustisya. At nararapat para sa'yo. No, makukuha mo what you deserve. And there's a Queen of Pentacles. Basta alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. No, mas maging mature ka how to handle your money. And of course, let's see. And this is something, guys, with the Knight of Pentacles. Na magkaroon ka ng security. No, magkaroon ng seguridad pagdating sa finances. And of course, this is something the Queen of Cups, emotional healing. Magiging kalmado na ang iyong emosyon. Para ka mabubunutan ng tinik dito, no? Additional messages pagdating sa love life. This is something the Eight of Pentacles, no? Mag-focus ka muna about dito sa relasyon. No, there's a 6 of Cups. Meron talaga ditong related, no, with the past. No, or either family related na maaring umiksena sa inyo relasyon, and there's something the Sun card with a pure positive outcome, pero maliliwanagan ka at maliliwanagan tong person mo. And there's a 6 of Wands, pero magtatagumpay ka pa rin. You are on the spotlight. No, mas matimbang ka, no, kaysa dun sa mga taong sumisira ng iyong relasyon. And there's a 3 of Pentacles, na magkakaroon kayo ng heart-to-heart conversation. And there's a Queen of Wands, no? Lakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka dahil magtatagumpay ka pa rin dito. Pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan mo, there's something that there's a 4 of Pentacles for saving money, protection, at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo. And there's a 8 of Wands, magkakaroon na ng changes and development pagdating sa kalusugan mo. Now, there's a 5 of Swords, mawawala na yung stress, mawawala na yung iniisip mo. Na matatapos na yung mga tumatakbo na negatibo sa utak mo. And there's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady. No? Magiging, mag-unti-unti na siya, magiging mahinahon na siya. Now, there's a High Priestess. Na maraming misteryo sa likod nito, kaya nangyari to. Na unti-unti nang gagaan ang pakiramdam mo at aani na. Na ano naman yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, makakamtan mo yung hustisya na nararapat para sa'yo. No? So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. With an Angel Spirit, pagdating naman tayo with a magical fire messages and advices. And because a yes or no, pick a card. Let's watch this. Okay, let's see. With a magical fire messages to represent what? With the magical fire messages represented as for what you want. No, humingi ka ng gabay sa ating angel spirit, ano naman yung mga bagay na kailangan mo. And your wish is granted. Matutupad yung mga pangarap mo, no need to worry. No, at the same time, this is something goodbye to the old, hello to the new. No, kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung mga bigat at pasakit at yung mga nakaraan, no? Kaya magkakaroon ka na raw ng bagong simula. And you desire is within reach. No, yung mga hinahangad mo, yung mga gusto mo mangyari, gusto mo matupad, matutupad mo pa rin yan. And easy does it, no? Stop trying so hard to control this situation, no? The more na kinokontrol mo, the more na hindi mo makukuha itong bagay nito. So, kumbaga, kailangan mo i-surrender. Now, what is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? Ibig sabihin, huwag mong pilitin yung isang bagay. No, lalo lang yan lalayo, lalo lang yan hindi mo makukuha yung isang bagay. Kailangan hayaan mo. And of course, gawin mo yung part mo. And there's a union. See, magkakaroon dito ng reconciliation. Some of you magkakaroon ng family gathering or maaaring magkabalikan kayo ng person mo. And this is something faith with a divine intervention. Na pinapaalalahanan ka ng ating divine na manalig, manampalataya ka. Now, there's a lack and doubt. Alisin mo yung pag-aalinlangan at pagdadalawang isip mo. What is the synchronicities represent what? Represent, guys, with a wheel of fortune. So, see, there's a turning back. No, ibig sabihin dito, talagang nasa iyo pa rin yung huling halakak. No, iikot pa rin ng kapalaran at papabor sa iyong sitwasyon. And there's a communication. Kailangan mo lang makipag-communicate ng maayos. And there's a shaman with a truth reveal. Talaga ilalantad lahat ng katotohanan dito. So, let's see what is your romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there's something unexpected, no? All of the sudden, may mga biglaan talaga na hindi mo ina-expect. Now, there's a safety comfort, no? Kailangan na unahin mo yung mas maayos at mapapangalagaan, no? Yung alam mong hindi ka mapupunta sa alanganing situation. And there's a legal matter. Huwag ka mag-alala, may legal na issues dito or maaring, kumbaga, pumabor sa'yo with the justice card kanina. Na makukuha mo pa rin yung tamang bagay para sa'yo. Justisya. What is ego's number? Represent what? And there's a 111 with the intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition and gut feeling mo. Now, hindi ka ililigaw nito. It's time to implement long cherished ideas. You're on the right track towards making your dreams and vision to reality. The right people, circumstances, and resources are being sent your way. Happiness and new opportunities are at hand. Trust in the process. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa tamang proseso. No? Matuto kang kumalma. Huwag ka masyado magmadali. No, kung alam mo may mga bagay na nararamdaman ka, solusyonan mo ito. Kailangan mong ng tamang paraan para makalaya at makawala ka dyan. For a money move oracle deck, there's an exhausted, no? You're feeling drained, na parang feeling mo inuupos ka na kandila, na parang feeling mo anytime babagsak ka na lang, parang anytime, kumbaga hindi mo kakayanin na, parang gano'n, nakakaramdam ka ng gano'n, frustration. And this is something gets with a part of the light, represent what? A part of the light represent, guys, with a dispersion. Now, I take one step at a time, focus on the present moment. I allow peace to, I release all doubt and fear, allowing peace to flow into my life. I trust the journey and embrace calm. So, manatili kang kalmado. No, para makapag-isip ka, para magawa mo yung bagay na kailangan mong gawin, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. And there's a shadow work represent what? From the shadow work represent what? And this something is self-compassion, growth, mindset, and resilient. Now, embracing imperfections help you find strength. No, see? Mahalin mo yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. No, even yung kamalian mo, even yung mga bagay na alam mong pangit sa'yo, yung mga bagay na pagkakamali mo, kailangan mong tanggapin yan. Ganun talaga. No one's perfect. No? Kailangan mong tanggapin at because pagpursiging mabago yung situation na yan. No? There's something what lies beneath with the hidden future. Represent with a don't want to hear it. Parang bagay na ayaw mong marinig. Na parang natatakot ka, no, sa mga bagay na mangyari at may mga bagay na marinig at masasabi siya sa'yo. And there's a clarifying for a love situation. Ano yung mismong magiging clarification pagdating sa pag-ibig, sa relasyon? Represent with a fairy balance. No? Embrace intense forces, upset, turmoil, and stabilize with calm resolve. So, see, mareresolba to basta manatili kang kalmado. na maging balanse ka para mapag-usapan nyo ng tama at maayos at kumbaga, klarado. And there's a clarifying for a life situation. For clarifying for a life situation, represent what? And there's a real promise. No, may mga pinangako dito, no, na alam mo na hindi mo na mababalik pa. Release the chain of the past and that's the read of possibilities. So, see, i-embrace mo yung posibilidad na nangyari. Napakawalan mo na yung kadena ng nakaraan. Kailangan mong tanggapin yung nangyari. Let's see what is the pika card, yes or no. Alamin na natin ng chika sa'yo ng ating gabay. Now, let's see and watch this. Okay, let's start with the number 1. Yes or no? Let's start with the number 1. Reference with the no. No? In the formative stage, immature being hungry. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kapag gutom ka na, kapag alam mong hindi mo na kaya, hindi ka na makakapag-isip pa. No? Kaya kailangan iwasan mo yung bagay na alam mong mapupunta ka sa sitwasyon na to, na mahihirapan ka. No, kung alam mong nahihirapan sa situation na to, matuto kang kumalma at humanap ka ng bagay na alam mong makakalaya ka from this scenario, no? Kasi kung alam mong naiipit ka na, hindi mo na alam yung tama at mali sa situation, no? There's something, yes, number 2, there's a budding stars first blast bursting out of the sea. So, ibig sabihin nito guys, na talagang mamumukad ka at sisibol yan. Na matuto ka magtiwala at maniwala sa lahat ng mangyayari sa iyo, no? What is the number 3? Represent guys with a no, come back to bite you, bitter taste, go sour. So see, parang kahit ano naman yung gawin nyo, kapag hindi pa hulmat, hindi pa okay, wag mong ipilit, no? Masasaktan, mahihirapan ka lang, no? Hindi matamis ang tagumpay kapag alam mong hindi pa hubog at hindi pa ready, no? Para ipitasin ito. So guys, this is a random gabay for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading na mga hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po in see the next video. Bye-bye and babush!